I'm safe in this room. Wait. There's a key. Okay, to unlock the secret door. Whoa, what was that for?
Ano ba talaga gusto mo? Hinihingi ako ng tawad sa iyo at saka sa nanay mo. Ano bang naglagay sa atin sa devotion na yun?
It's ready. Fight the creepy skull monster. Fight.
Sama ko din. Ayoko ng fight. Susumbong kita. Sige. Hoy, tawag ka. Kanina pa daw. Tawag ka ng mami mo.
You've defeated the monster. Oh man, I'm blocked in this room. Oh, I forgot I still have the key. Hello? Is there somebody here in this cabin? I'm here alone. I bet my brother is still in that haunted room. Let me go there as fast as quick. Ha 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 ha.